How's it going, fifth graders? Guys, today we are going to review some figurative language, specifically idioms. And I absolutely love figurative language just because it's fun and it kind of switches up the regular writing style. Guys, I know we've looked at this Google slide a lot, but this first picture here, it's a beach kind of in black and white color, kind of boring. And so this would be like writing where there's no figurative language within the writing. It's just kind of telling a story, saying an idea without any figurative language. Now, when authors add figurative language to whatever they're writing, it adds some flair, it adds some flavor, it adds some color. So this beach, it's almost like a story where the author added some figurative language within their story. It adds some color, it makes it pop a little bit, it makes it more exciting. Another example, this example on the top, there's zero figurative language. However, this example on the bottom, it's jam-packed full of figurative language. And I'm going to read this, and I just want you to notice the difference between the first one without figurative language and the second one with figurative language. The boy hit the baseball hard. So the author is just telling you that the boy hit the baseball hard. It's not really too exciting. It's just saying it for what it is. Now listen to this one. It should add some excitement and it should really help you visualize what's going on. The boy hit the baseball like a tsunami wave hits the beach. As the ball whizzed through the air, you could almost hear the ball screaming in pain. And so for me, even as I read that, I was able to visualize more this boy hitting this baseball hard, and it made it more exciting for me to read. And that's what figurative language does. Authors put figurative language in their writing to make it more exciting for the readers. Now, today we're going to talk about idioms, and really what idioms are. It's figurative language where it's a group of words that mean something other than what the words say. For example, if you are in a play or maybe a dance competition and somebody yells at you, break a leg, they don't literally mean to break a leg. That would be mean. What they figuratively mean is good luck. So idioms, they have a literal meaning. In this case, break a leg literally means to break a leg, but they also have a figurative meaning. Break a leg means good luck. So idioms have a literal meaning, what the words actually say, but they have a figurative meaning. It's what the words mean, even though you can't tell the meaning within the words. Another example would be, it's raining cats and dogs. So what that literally means is that cats and dogs are falling from the clouds in the sky. What that figuratively means is that it's raining really hard. So we're going to look at a few more examples. So this first one, hopefully this magazine article will give you some food for thought. Some food for thought is the idiom. And what this literally means is that maybe this magazine article will give your thoughts some food to eat. However, idioms aren't literal, they're figurative. So what this figuratively means is that hopefully this magazine article will make you think. It will give you something to think about. This next example, does me giving you this hint ring a bell? So if we took this literally, that would mean if I gave you a hint, you would hear a bell ringing, but idioms are not literal, they're figurative. So does me giving you this hint ring a bell? It figuratively means, does it spark some sort of remembrance from what we learned in the past, and almost like the light bulb goes off and you remember something. And lastly, do not mess around in class because all teachers have eyes in the back of their head. So here's our idiom, have eyes in the back of their head. It literally means that teachers have eyes in the back of their head, but idioms are not literal, they're figurative. So figuratively, this means that don't mess around in class because teachers know everything that's going on. So fifth grade, remember, idioms They're figurative language, and they're groups of words that mean something other than what the words are saying. And idioms have a literal meaning and a figurative meaning. Once again, it's raining cats and dogs literally means that cats and dogs are falling from the sky. It figuratively means that it's raining really hard. And we always want to find the figurative meaning of idioms. So fifth grade, have an awesome time with your idioms. Let me know if you have any questions, and we will talk to you later.